New York, California, and Florida, all states with large numbers of confirmed cases. When it comes to the monkeypox virus, Sophia Nurse is like plenty of people in and around Cincinnati.
I don't know a whole lot about it. I've heard about it. I can definitely tell that people are nervous for it. I've heard a little bit, but not really anybody I know has had it or anything like that.
That last part about Norse not knowing anyone who's contracted the disease is what these city and county leaders hope remains the case going forward.
Here in Hamilton County, we have 3 known cases of monkeypox, so it's not prevalent and it's not easy to get here in our community.
But Hamilton County Health Commissioner Greg Kesterman and his counterpart in Cincinnati, along with experts from UC Medical Center, know the best way to keep monkeypox at bay is to raise awareness about the disease and to vaccinate as many vulnerable people as possible.
That's the real way to stop an outbreak from happening here, is to proactively get vaccination to the people at risk so that we can protect everyone in our community.
Currently, those most at risk, based on confirmed cases of monkeypox, are men who have sex with men. I asked infectious disease expert Jen Forrester why people in that category of intimacy in particular seem most prone to the virus.
That's an interesting question. This is a contact-to-contact virus. This is not simply, and honestly, this isn't even related particularly to sexual contact, right? It's just the population that we happen to be seeing it in currently.
Now, the trouble that local health providers are running into at the moment is too few doses of the monkeypox vaccine. So far, public health officials here in Hamilton County have received around 350 doses of the vaccine. Those are being administered on a priority basis. More doses are expected to arrive this week. That's some encouraging news as well, but it's too soon to know just how many more doses will show up. Reporting live tonight, Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.
Todd, thank you so much. Anyone interested in getting the monkeypox vaccine can fill out an eligibility survey online. You can find those surveys on both the Cincinnati and Hamilton County Health Department's websites.